डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे स्पेशल स्पेशल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल। स्पेशल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल। तो आज का प्रॉब्लम है प्रूव दैट इंटीग्रेशन 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2। सम क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो इसी क्वेश्चंस के बेस के प्रॉब्लम होंगे, या यही क्वेश्चन प्रूफ दैट जो है वो 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 प्रॉब्लम रह सकते हैं। सॉल्यूशन के लिए लेट I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equation number 1. We using a property that is 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx। इस प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग ये जो x है वो रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं आप a माइनस x से, दोनों के इंटीग्रेशन सेम होंगे। सो देयरफॉर I इक्वल टू 0 to pi by 2 log sin a minus x, that is pi by 2 minus x because a given as क्वेश्चन में pi by 2। So log sin pi by 2 minus x dx। Since sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, so I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos of x dx is suppose equation number 2। And then now we adding equation 1 and equation 2। So we have equation 1 in left side is I and equation 2 left side is I, so I plus I is 2I and 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 log cos of x dx। Since log of a plus log b equal to log of a into b, so if we use in this case log sin x plus log cos x, so we have log sin x into cos x dx। Now 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x into cos x dx। Now multiply and divide by 2, we have 2 sin x into cos x by 2। Further, since sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, so 2 sin x cos x is replaced as sin 2x, so we have sin 2x by 2। Further, we use a formula log of a by b, which is equal to log of a minus log of b। So the question log of sin 2x by 2 dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx, and already separated limits 0 to pi by 2 in both cases log of a by b equal to log of a minus log of b। Suppose this is the third equation and let I1, this is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x dx। Now we rewrite 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx is equation number third. Let I1 equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. सिंस जो क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, सिंस ये जो I है वो I है हमारे पास 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of x dx. सो हमारा काम है ये जो I है वो 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, बट जो I1 है हमारे पास 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस में I और 2I में एक चीज सिर्फ डिफरेंस है, वो इनका एंगल. सो इनके एंगल जो है वो 2x है, तो उसको पहले हम लिख 2x इक्वल टू t, देन dt by dx इक्वल टू 2. सो we find dx which is equal to dt by 2, and if we putting, then we limits all change. When x equal to 0, then t equal to 2x. So t equal to 2 into 0 is 0. So when x 0, t is also 0. When x equal to pi by 2, so t equal to 2x. So 2 into pi by 2 is pi. So our limit is when x 0, t is also 0. When x pi by 2, t is pi. So limits are 0 to pi. When x 0, t 0, so 0. When x pi by 2, we have t pi, so is limit pi. Log sin 2x is 2, so is t, and dx is dt by 2, so dt by 2. Now 1 by 2 taking common, 1 by 2, 0 to pi log sin t dt. Since the property 0 to 2a f x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx, where f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. So if we using this property, so we have this is, we can write this is 1 by 2, 0 to pi is pi by 2 into this, and log of sin t dt, which is equal to 1 by 2, 2 is out, and 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t dt. And now, which is I1, so I1 simplify, 2 to cancel, we have I1 equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt. Since we know that a to b f of x dx is a to b f t dt, both are same, so log of sin t or log of sin x are equal, so I1 can change as I. From third equation 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx, which is I1, and I1 is equal to I, so I minus log 2 is constant, log 2 taking out, 0 to pi by 2 dx. So I1 is 2I minus I equal to minus log of 2, and integration of dx is x pi by 2 0. So it is I minus log of 2 pi by 2 minus 0, and hence minus pi by 2 log of 2. which is the required answer or proved. Now the summaries of the problem is given as